Are you tired of writing endless prompts just to get decent results from AI? You type, you tweak, you test, and you still end up switching between 3 different tools to get your text, images, and video done. What if the AI just did the thinking for you? Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at Adamix AI. This is a brand new platform that claims to be the first autonomous intelligence system. You just give it a goal and it thinks, plans, and executes the whole thing in one chat interface. But does it actually work, or is it just another hyped up wrapper? Let us dive in. Make sure you stick around because I've put together a massive custom bonus package for this launch, and you can only get it through the link in the description. Here's my honest first impression. Adamix AI is a massive time saver. The ability to generate copy, graphics, and video in a single dashboard without writing complex prompts is a game changer for marketers and creators. For the launch price of $14.95, it's a no-brainer. However, you will need to pay attention to the upgrades to get the most out of it, which I will explain in a minute. So, what exactly is Adamix AI? It's a cloud-based intelligence system designed for creators, affiliate marketers, and businesses. If you have no email list, no tech skills, and no time to learn advanced prompting, this is built for you. The biggest problem with traditional AI is that it only responds to exactly what you type. If your prompt is bad, your results is bad. Adamix AI reads between the lines. It understands your intent. You tell it to build a campaign and it decides the best approach, writes the text, creates the images, and generates the video. Everything is end-to-end encrypted and there are no monthly fees. Let's look inside the dashboard. As you can see on the screen, the interface is super clean. There are no complicated menus. You just go to the main chat box. I'm going to type a simple request. I want a promotional video script for a dog training product along with a thumbnail image and a fast voiceover script. I hit enter. Notice how I did not give it a huge detailed prompt. Now watch. Adamix AI maps out the plan. It instantly outputs the script. Next, it generates a high-quality image we can use for the thumbnail. Finally, it gives us the exact video layout. No switching tabs, no logging into Midjourney or a separate video tool. It all happens right here in one seamless flow.
Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes. Because what we've just created has never been done in AI history before. An extraordinary intelligence has arrived, and it outperforms ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and every other AI on the internet. There was a moment when we realized something was missing. AI was everywhere, but intelligence was not. You could generate text, create images, even produce videos, but none of it truly understood you. None of it could think. None of it could decide. None of it could act on its own. And that's when everything changed. We stopped asking, how do we build a better AI tool? And started asking, what if we created the first real intelligence? We called it ADAMIX, Adam plus Intelligent. The first intelligence designed to think, decide, and deliver. Just like Adam, the first human, ADAMIX represents the beginning of true intelligence. Not something that waits, not something that reacts, but something that thinks. At first, it was simple. A system that could understand context, connect ideas, and make decisions. Then something unexpected happened. It evolved. It adapted. It started delivering results that didn't feel artificial. They felt real. We gave ADAMIX one simple instruction: deliver what the user truly wants. No complex prompts, no step-by-step guidance. And ADAMIX did something different. It understood. It decided. It delivered. ADAMIX is not a chatbot, not a generator. It is the first true intelligence system. Imagine this. What if you could create anything you want without writing prompts, without switching tools, without figuring things out step by step? Because right now, you open one tool, write prompts, fix them, try again, then switch tools again. And after all that, you still don't get what you want. That's the problem. AI tools don't think, you do. So we changed that. Introducing Adamix AI, the first intelligence that thinks for you and delivers exactly what you want. You open one powerful chat and type what you want. That's it. No prompts, no confusion, no complexity. Adamix understands your intent, decides the best way, and executes everything for you. Then delivers. Text, images, videos, complete results. All from one chat. No switching tools, no trial and error, just results. And this changes everything. Because now, hours of work become minutes, confusion becomes clarity, effort becomes automation. You're not using tools anymore. You're using intelligence, and it's built for anyone. No coding, no skills required. If you can type, you can use ADAMIX. Now here's the kicker. Most AI tools charge monthly, $20, $50, $100 plus, and still make you do the work. But today, you can unlock Adamix AI for a simple one-time payment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Use it once and use it forever. Plus, you're protected by our 30-day guarantee. If you don't love it, you get your money back. So the real question is simple. Do you keep struggling with tools or use intelligence that thinks for you? If you're ready to, stop writing prompts, stop switching tools, get faster results, create everything from one place. Then click the button below. Activate Adamix AI. No prompts, no stress, no limits, just results. Your move.
Now let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end offer is just $14.95 during the launch window. This gets you access to the main dashboard. But to keep this review honest, you need to know about the upgrades. First is OTO1, the unlimited upgrade. This removes the caps on your generations. If you plan on using this daily, you absolutely need this upgrade so you don't hit any limits. Next is OTO2, the agent mode, and OTO3, which is a done-for-you setup. These are great if you want maximum automation. Finally, they have agency and white label upgrades at the end of the funnel. If you want to rebrand this software and sell it to local clients as your own service, those are the ones to grab. My recommendation? Grab the front end and OTO1. That's the sweet spot for getting maximum value without breaking the bank. To make this the easiest decision you make all week, I've put together an exclusive app verdict bonus stack when you pick up Adamix AI through the link below this video. I have handpicked these tools to help you get even more traffic and sales. Here's what you get for free. First, WP Swift Page plugin. This instantly increases your site speed so your visitors stay longer. Second, Lead Book Generator. Automatically pull leads from Facebook directly into your email list. Third, WP Email Timer Plus. Put countdown timers right inside your emails to force people to click and buy. Fourth, Conversion Equalizer. This automatically fixes the neglected parts of your ad campaigns to boost your conversions. Fifth, Article Analyzer. Use this to optimize your content so you rank higher on Google. Sixth, Video Hub. Start your own recurring video subscription platform and charge people monthly. Seventh, Tubelytics, the ultimate YouTube tool to track, schedule, and analyze your videos for massive reach. Eighth, Promo Video Secrets, a complete guide on creating short, high-converting videos that sell anything. Ninth, Social Media Viral Content Builder. This forces users to share your content on social media before they can read it, driving massive free traffic. 10th, Client Extractor. Find local businesses on Google Maps who desperately need your new AI services. You get all 10 of these premium bonuses completely free, but only when you click the first link in the description. Let's wrap this up. Adamix AI removes the friction from content creation. You don't need to be a prompt engineer to get professional results anymore. Right now, the price is locked in at a one-time fee of $14.95, but that's on a countdown timer. Once the launch ends, the price jumps up and it may move to a monthly subscription. Plus, my exclusive bonus package is strictly limited. If you want to speed up your workflow and stop paying monthly fees for multiple AI tools, click the link in the description right now to lock in your discount and claim your free bonuses. Thank you for watching this app verdict review. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense software reviews. To claim your bonuses, just click the link below, grab your copy of Adamix AI, and your bonus access will be waiting for you inside your purchase receipt. See you in the next video.